Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corley and today I bring you this halo eye using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I did an all matte look because ever since my reverse ombre liner, I've been loving all matte looks. It's crisp, it's sharp. I don't get shimmer transfer because I do have hooded, I have eyelids that are more on the hooded side, so often I get transfer in my crease, but with mattes, even when you get transfer, you don't really see it. So I used this palette to create this look, which I am feeling so hard. I love it so much. And also I have a fake mole because I do have a pimple that has texture on it, and that's a trick I learned from Desi Perkins. Whenever you have a pimple that has texture, makeup doesn't hide texture, it hides color. Therefore you just turn it into a mole, and then you go in with your face powder and you just dab to make it look like there's makeup on top of it. Credit to Desi Perkins for educating me on the matter, so now I can turn my textured pimples into moles and it looks good. I like it. So I absolutely love this look. For some reason I had a little bit of trouble lining my lips, so they look a little some type of way. Please forgive me, but yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Okay guys, so I'm starting with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to grab the shade Raw Sienna, and I'm going to run this through my crease as a transition shade with a very big fluffy brush. To deepen up everything, I'll be taking the shade Red Ochre, and I'm going to put it on the outer and inner corners of my eyes because you guys, we're doing a halo eye, my favorite type of eye ever. Don't forget, it's very important to connect the outer and the inner corner with going with the rest of the shadow on your eye, so it's not too intense in the crease, but it still connects both of them. Then you can go in with your big fluffy brush and blend it all. Next, to add more of a transition, I'm going to take the shade Buon Fresco and I'm going to run it very loosely on the edges of my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take the shade Love Letter and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the shade Red Ochre, which is pack it on the inner and outer corner, blend it in the crease, and then blend it again with the very big fluffy brush. For the final deep shade, I'm going to take the shade Cypress Umber on a very little brush, and I'm going to pack it on the very outer and the very inner corner because this is really deep. It actually deepened my look so much, but you know, it adds the right amount of drama. Am I right? Now doing the scary part that makes me so anxious is cutting my crease. So now that I've cut the halo eye, because it's a cut halo eye, I'm going to take the shade Tempera and I'm just going to set the concealer. This is the matte shade we're going to use, and I have to get into a special position to do this, so don't mind me. Also, I'm going to take my big, well, not my big, my medium crease brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges using the shades Red Ochre and Love Letter. To prime my face, I'll be using the ever so expensive Benefit Professional Primer. It's my favorite though, so you know I use it, but it's really expensive. But yeah, so I'm gonna apply it all over the areas where my pores are very big and, you know, obnoxious. For foundation, I'll be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance Foundation in the shade Golden. For concealer, you know the drill. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25 medium. I put it on all the high points of my face and my under eye to brighten everything up. To set my under eyes, I'm going to take the NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder, and I'm just going to set underneath my eyes while packing the shadow into it. To set my whole entire face, I'm going to take the Maybelline Better Skin Powder in the shade 50 Natural Beige. You know, just give the whole face a light set, give it some color a little bit as well. So I'm going to just do my lower lash line using the same crease shades I used. I mainly out of frame for this, so you won't see me do it a lot, but I'm going to take the e.l.f. blush palette and take this shade and just, you know, blush me up. And I'm going to take my Coralista blush by Benefit to add a glow to the cheeks, so just on the apples. For a highlighter, I'll be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold. I'm going to put it on all of the high points in my face as usual. This is the moment when I create my little fake mole. I just use Cypress Umber for the ABH palette, and I'm just, you know, blending it out with a little bit of face powder so it looks more natural. I'm taking my Sephora cream lip stain in the shade Marvelous Mauve 13, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lips.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below new video suggestions, things you'd like to see me do, or just tell me what's your favorite part of this makeup tutorial. If you recreate it, please tag me on Instagram or Twitter so I can see your looks, because I love to see your looks, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, if you like me, my personality, or the content I put up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love for you to join us. We're trying to grow our family and be like really cute together. We are empowering, we're really nice, and we love makeup. So, you know, I figured you just might want to join. And while you're down there, there's the bell button right next to the subscribe button. You can click on it if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video. That way you don't miss any uploads and you don't get sad when you realize that I uploaded and you didn't see. You know, it's prevention, because I care about you and I want to lead you the right way. So don't forget to check out all of my social media, such as Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'll have my Snapchat snap code right here so you can screenshot, because you know it's easier to add. Adding names on Snapchat, it ain't easy. It takes time and sometimes you make mistakes. So you're welcome. I have all the other links of my social media in the description bar below, so it's easier for you guys to find me. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.